Hey y'all. You want to stick? Is that what do you want to stick? Want to stick? I can give you stick. Hey, look, stick. Layers. Oh my goodness. How much noisy miners are here? Alright, what if I just say 1,000? Say 1,000. I am a statue. I am a statue. I am a statue. Yup. Sorry. There's so many logs up here. Oh, there's a spider in my water pond. Yeah. Oh, if you hurt my magpie, I will hurt you. Yeah. Yeah, I agree. I don't know where Tiger's going. He is just go. Oh my! Oh my god! Stay still. Stay still. You won't be noticed if you just stay the heck still. It's a cat where where's your food? Hey, don't knock on my window. Okay, oh, he is drinking from my water pond. Let's go. Oh my goodness. He is drinking from the water pond, and there's so much birds here. Just be careful that tiger because there's a oh my goodness. Oh. We're using my water pond there. Ready? Keep on drinking water. You're fine. Hey, yo. Okay, here. Right, what's that? He tried to get it. Who wants it? No. Yay! What a catch. Where did my backpack go? Guess he's gone. I don't know. Why is there rainbow lorikeet here? There's so much birds in this tree. Hello? Wait, I don't have nothing, mate. This guy's just following me. Okay. Huh? Just stay there. Hello. It's fish. Okay, first, since you were waiting here. There you go. Hey. Okay. Then we have one for you. Oh, you're very passionate for it. How many even are there? Oh my god, there's a little photo. Hold on. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my lordy. I have an idea. Ready? Ready? Hey, Lauren. Ready? No! What the hell happened? I'm gonna sit there like right there. Mate, I hear you. Ready, lorikeets? Aussie, yep. Oh, there's 4 of them. Holy hell. It's over there. That's fine. Yours? Damn. Don't fight. Okay, Dexy. nice. Play nice. Don't make a fight happen again, please. Hi. Want some more? Oh, I love this. Oh, there's some more Lawrence's fast food. Awesome. Hey. Play nice. Bye-bye. Whoa. So, that's like the Australia's. Whoa. Play nice, guys. Play nice. Oh, there goes two of them. So, both. Oh, there's another one. You guys love this, huh? Don't you? Oh my god. Well, these lorikeys have absolutely no fear. Whoa! My god! These kids are so tough. Whoa! I'm just so happy. It's an absolute blessing to have some lorikeys coming to my home and feeling safe. It's just beautiful. Like they feel safe around here. And there wasn't even any food out. Hey, noisy miner. So as you can see here, here's some trivia. These two lorikeys here are girls, and these two are boys. just to let you know. I'm gonna get some more food for these guys. See. Okay, I'm back. Hey mate, please. Ready? Yeah? Oh no. Oh wait, Papa, they're still in that tree, so I could just throw some bread out. I'm just wait for a little bit. I'm there in there. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Now we're probably. Whoa, what's wrong? No signs of coming. I don't know why they left. Okay. Reg, fair. Okay. This is a good sign. They're looking. What's artificial grass gonna do? Also, what is artificial grass gonna do against birds for Well, I think there's so much computer lines. I don't know why the lot of kids are not coming. Whoa. It's so hard to like. Alright, so unfortunately I didn't get a score. Hopefully these guys will come back. But until then, make sure to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. I'll talk to you guys later. But until then, goodbye. It's a beautiful day in the Ready? Okay. Make sure to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. I'll talk to you guys later. But until then, goodbye. It's a beautiful day in the Berlin Road. Peace.